welcomes all of you from BD Teaching channel. Today we'll discuss about voice change in English grammar for simple past tense. First we will discuss about different rules for change of voice from active voice to passive voice change in simple past tense. Rule: active voice subject plus verb plus object. In case of active voice, passive voice will be object will be subject from active to passive, subject will be object from active voice to passive, and also verb will be was or were plus third form of a verb, and also by will be added before object in passive voice. So active voice I will be changed to me in case of passive voice, and also active voice you will be changed you same will be same. We will be changed to us, they will be changed to them, and also active voice they will be changed to them. For example, active voice I ate rice. I ate rice will be changed to, in case of passive voice, rice was eaten by me. I subject, ate verb, rice object. Object will be subject rice, ate will be was eaten, and also we will add by, then I will be changed to me. So finally passive voice will be rice was eaten by me. Similarly, active voice we solve all problems. Passive voice will be all problems we are solved by us. Similarly, active voice you wrote an story. Passive voice will be a story was written by you. Similarly, active voice Hari ate fruits. Passive voice will be fruits were eaten by Hari. Similarly, active voice they finished the work. Passive voice will be the work was finished by them. In this way, we can change voice change from active voice to passive voice in case of simple past tense. So I hope that you will watch this video from starting to ending. Then we can easily remember all about this, and also we will like video, share video, and subscribe BD Teaching YouTube channel for next new learning video. Thanks to all.